If your mouse middle click is not working in Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue can happen after a Firefox update because a setting may get changed without you realizing it. It can also happen because of a driver problem in Windows or because an extension is interfering with how Firefox handles clicks. The good news is that, in most cases, you can fix this in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, we're going to check a Firefox setting called Autoscrolling. This is one of the most common reasons middle click stops working properly. Open Firefox on your computer, then go to the top right corner and click the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for accessibility. Scroll down until you see the section for keyboard navigation and scrolling. In that section, find the option that says Use Autoscrolling and make sure it is turned on. If it was disabled, this could be the reason your middle click is not responding the way you expect. Turn it on, then close the Settings tab and test your mouse again. In many cases, that alone will restore middle click behavior in Firefox. If it still does not work, the next thing we need to check is your mouse driver in Windows. Sometimes the mouse button itself is fine, but Windows has lost proper communication with the device, or the driver needs to be refreshed. To do that, press the Windows key and X on your keyboard, then click Device Manager from the menu that appears. In Device Manager, find the category called Mice and Other Pointing Devices and click the arrow to expand it. You should see your mouse listed there. Right-click on your mouse, then choose Update Driver. When the update wizard appears, select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for the best available driver. Once it finishes, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. After the restart, open Firefox and test the middle button again. If it still fails after updating the driver, then the issue may not be the mouse itself. It could be caused by an extension or add-on inside Firefox that is blocking the middle click function. To check that, we can use Troubleshoot Mode, which temporarily disables extensions and custom settings. Open Firefox again, click the three horizontal lines in the top right, then go to Help and select Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to restart, so click Restart. When Firefox opens in Troubleshoot Mode, test the middle click again. If it works here, that means one of your extensions is likely causing the problem. In that case, go back into your add-ons menu and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one responsible. Once you identify it, you can remove it or keep it disabled. That is usually the fastest way to find the culprit. So to recap, start by enabling auto-scrolling in Firefox, then update your mouse driver in Device Manager, and finally test Firefox in Troubleshoot Mode if the issue still continues. One of these steps should fix the middle click problem on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.